Everything vibrates. From the tiniest atom to the grandest galaxy, every element in the universe is in a state of perpetual motion. This constant vibration is the heartbeat of existence, the rhythm that connects all things, a magnificent symphony of energy, invisible yet ever-present. This symphony is not just a random cacophony but a harmonious blend of frequencies and vibrations, each contributing to the grand design of the cosmos. It is a dance of light and sound, a ballet of particles and waves. From the smallest particles to the vast expanse of the cosmos, a constant dance of energy unfolds. This dance is the essence of life itself, a dynamic interplay that shapes the very fabric of reality. Every star, every planet, every living being is a part of this intricate choreography. This is the fundamental truth revealed by quantum physics, a truth that empowers us to become conscious creators of our own reality. Quantum physics shows us that our thoughts, our intentions, and our emotions are not just passive experiences, but active forces that influence the world around us. By aligning our vibrations with our desires, we can shape our destiny. This is not mere scientific theory. It is the essence of existence. The energy patterns that form the basis of our reality are not static. They are dynamic and ever-changing. By tuning into these patterns, we can tap into the limitless potential of the universe and manifest our dreams. By understanding the language of vibrations, we unlock the secrets to manifesting our deepest desires and living a life brimming with purpose and joy. This language is the key to unlocking the mysteries of the universe, a guide to navigating the complexities of existence. When we learn to speak this language, we become the architects of our own reality, capable of creating a life filled with abundance, love, and fulfillment. Quantum physics reveals a breathtaking reality. It shows us that the very fabric of our universe is far more complex and dynamic than we ever imagined. At the heart of everything lies a dance of energy, a symphony of particles and waves that defy our conventional understanding. The universe, once perceived as solid and predictable, dissolves into a field of infinite possibilities. Every moment, every particle is a manifestation of potential, waiting to be realized. This field is a canvas of endless opportunities, where the boundaries of reality blur and merge into a continuum of existence. At the subatomic level, particles exist in a state of potential, their behavior influenced by observation and intention. This means that our very act of observing can alter the course of these particles, shaping the reality we experience. It's a profound reminder of the interconnectedness of all things and the power of our consciousness. These particles are in constant motion, vibrating at various frequencies. This vibration is the essence of energy in motion, a fundamental characteristic of the universe. Each frequency carries its own unique signature, contributing to the vast tapestry of existence. The interplay of these vibrations creates the symphony of life, resonating through every atom and molecule. This energy is not confined to the microscopic world. It permeates everything, connecting us all in an intricate web of vibrating energy fields. From the smallest particle to the largest galaxy, this energy binds us together, creating a unified field of existence. It is a reminder that we are all part of a greater whole, interconnected and interdependent, sharing the same cosmic dance of energy and motion. We are not separate from this quantum field. We are integral participants. Our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions are themselves vibrations, constantly interacting with and influencing the energetic fabric of the universe. Fear, doubt, and negativity create low-frequency vibrations, repelling the very things we desire. Conversely, love, gratitude, and joy resonate at high frequencies, attracting abundance and harmony into our lives. This principle is known as the law of attraction, like attracts like. By cultivating positive emotions and aligning our vibrations with our desires, we become magnets, drawing fulfilling experiences into our reality. This is not about wishful thinking. It is about conscious creation. By understanding the power of our vibrational frequency, we can consciously choose the thoughts, beliefs, and actions that shape our reality. Cultivating a high vibrational state is a continuous journey. Begin with awareness. Pay attention to your thoughts and emotions. Identify and release limiting beliefs. Practice gratitude. Focus on the good in your life. Engage in activities that bring you joy. Surround yourself with positive influences. Nurture your body with nourishing foods and movement. One of the most powerful ways to raise your vibration is through selfless service. When we focus on helping others, we shift from a place of lack to a state of abundance. Acts of kindness, compassion, and generosity radiate high-frequency energy, creating a ripple effect that benefits not only the recipient, but also the giver. Service is a powerful reminder of our interconnectedness and our capacity for love. Wayne Dyer, a renowned spiritual teacher, exemplified the power of high-frequency living. His teachings have touched the lives of countless individuals, guiding them towards a path of enlightenment and self-discovery. Dyer's philosophy was rooted in the belief that by raising our vibrational frequency, we can transform our lives in profound and meaningful ways. Through his teachings and his own life, he demonstrated the transformative potential of aligning with love, gratitude, and the power of intention. He often spoke about the importance of cultivating a mindset of abundance and positivity, which he believed could attract more of the same into our lives. By focusing on what we are grateful for and setting clear, positive intentions, we can create a reality that reflects our highest aspirations. Dyer emphasized the importance of releasing the ego's grip on our thoughts and embracing our true nature as beings of pure, limitless potential. He taught that the ego often creates a false sense of separation and limitation, which can hold us back from realizing our true potential. By letting go of ego-driven thoughts and behaviors, we can tap into a deeper sense of connection with ourselves and the universe. His legacy continues to inspire millions to live more conscious, joyful, and fulfilling lives. Dyer's work serves as a reminder that we have the power to shape our own destinies through the choices we make and the energy we project. His teachings encourage us to live with intention, to seek out joy and fulfillment in every moment, and to strive for a higher state of being. Whether through his books, lectures, or personal interactions, Wayne Dyer's influence remains a guiding light for those on the path to higher vibrational living. Remember, the universe is a mirror, reflecting back the vibrations we emit. If we encounter negativity, it is an opportunity for introspection. What within us needs healing or transformation? By taking responsibility for our energy, we empower ourselves to create positive change. We become conscious architects of our reality, shaping our lives with intention and purpose. Living in alignment with the quantum field is not about control. It is about co-creation. It is about surrendering to the flow of life while consciously directing our energy towards our desired outcomes. Trust in the process. Believe in your own power. Embrace the journey, knowing that you are a magnificent being of light, capable of manifesting your greatest aspirations. As we awaken to our true nature as vibrational beings, we step into a world of infinite possibilities. Challenges become opportunities for growth. Setbacks become springboards for greater resilience. This is the magic of aligning with the quantum field. It is a journey of self-discovery, empowerment, and boundless joy. Embrace it fully and watch as your life transforms into a masterpiece of your own creation.